Would you rather eat an organic apple or a robot apple? I mean, the robot apple is shiny. Ow! On second thought, I think I'm gonna go with the organic apple. And the same can be true for followers. Nowadays, there's plenty of services that offer you followers or the ability to mass follow accounts for a price. But are these services really worth it? And do the followers you acquire for them actually engage? Well, it might seem like a great idea to quickly gain a bunch of followers this way, but the truth of the matter is, it's actually not. So let's go over some cons about buying followers. First up, buying followers can pollute your audience with followers that most likely are bots. Or if you're using an app to mass follow people, they most likely are just following you back out of social media etiquette and not because they are truly interested in your content. And because of this, they are extremely unlikely to actually engage with any of your posts, leaving you with a high follower count, but no actual traction. Next up, buying followers can also obscure your analytics and make it hard to actually use data to determine who your audience really is. Because the large amount of your followers aren't engaging, it can be extremely hard to tell what the engaged part of your audience likes, their age range, their gender, what language they speak, and even where they are located. All data that can be extremely handy in helping you shape your future content and how to talk to your followers. Also, if your followers aren't actually sharing and engaging with your content, it can have negative effects on your organic reach. In order to grow your following organically, you need your followers to share your content so you can reach even more potential followers. This is really key to growing fast and finding followers that have similar interests. You also might be surprised to learn that it can affect any paid ads you might try to run as well, as the algorithms will attempt to show your ad to other accounts that are similar to your followers. So, if your followers are a bunch of robots, well, you're just going to be paying to advertise to other robots. Next up, it can also be a huge hindrance when trying to land sponsorships, as a sponsor might initially be impressed by the amount of followers you have, but once they see your audience isn't really engaging, it's likely they won't be very interested in working with you. Same goes for attempting to sell a product or use affiliate links. If your audience isn't actually interested in you and your brand, they won't be willing to buy anything. For example, my YouTube channel Laughstash TV has over 28,000 subscribers, which is pretty impressive. However, because its content is all over the place and because I used apps to generate subscribers, the audience there isn't very engaged. Despite filling my video description with affiliate links and Teespring products, I've never made a dime on any of it. I've also never been able to successfully attract a sponsor because the audience engagement just isn't there. However, on my new channel, Film It Yourself, despite only having around 370-ish subscribers at the time of recording this, I've already made $60.81 in affiliate links, $344.96 in Patreon support, and have had a few sponsorships, all with a small but engaged audience. If you're really struggling to attract followers early on, consider asking your friends and family to follow you and share your posts. This grassroots approach can lead to more and more organic growth as they hopefully share and engage with your content. And finally, sometimes apps that allow you to mass follow or buy followers are actually prohibited by several social media's terms of use. So, using their services could get your account banned or even deleted. Now that you know this cautionary tale about buying followers, you can focus on better building your organic growth. And hey, it can take a long time, so be patient, keep posting, and don't fall into the robot money trap. Oh, look at that shiny pear. Ow! Oh man, another fruit bot.